There's one going over here. It look like a flower, but we call it tokelau feredoa kubesi. It means, there's a tuna fish. When they cut on the middle, you can see the pattern. It's like that on the middle of the fish of tuna fish, and they use this one. They make the pattern because they get it from the tuna fish. It means that because there's a people in Tonga, the people we live in islands, we get our food mainly from the fish, and that's why and it means that to keep the people close and they keep them together. That's why they put the pattern over there. And that's the one over, that's pattern, we call it manulua. It means when the time comes, there's the time comes down, you can see the little, like a little pool on over there when the tide down, and all the fish get inside the little pool, and the bird coming down and eat and take the fish as their food. We call, because it's a bird, we call it in Tongan, there's manu, and there's a little pool in the sea. We call it, there's a little pool, they call it lua, and that's why they call it manulua. That's mean of that one, and that's the one, and that's pattern here. We call it fata, and that's when they build the area of the king, because it's in Tonga. We have a king. There's a small place. There's a small island, a nation, but we have our king and a queen, a royal family. And there's a pattern here that when they join the carrier, when they put the wood and joins together, they call it fata. And they weave, they make the little rope from the husk of the coconut, and they make this husk, and they weave up and like that, and they call it fata, because that's a way to make a carrier for the king. I hope you understand what I mean. And there's a flowers over there. There's a heirala. There's a national flower. But supposed to be 3 or 4. Thank you so much. That's only enough for 3 petals. And there's our national flowers, Tongan national flowers. I hope you understand. Thank you.
Do you guys want to get your hands dirty?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, come up, and you all have to come up and just watch us up here. If anyone's missing any tapa, let us know so we can get you some. Because I know there's some latecomers, but I'm glad you're here, even if you're late. Okay, awesome. Yay. So cool. So it's going to be a community piece. I don't know if anyone's interested in coming up and doing a piece as well. But I'm going to show you, whose is that piece? No one's? Good, okay. I'm going to use this as our example piece. I like one to show you. So you see this kumea, we've got this brown dye. That's all the way from Whawa'u, Tonga. Mum used to wash her hair with it when she was a child. That was their shampoo, right? Their conditioner.
Swim in the sea.
Swim in the sea with it. And also, the tapa, the ngatu like that, but we have really big ones, like 100, 150 feet. They can go really big because we have a royal family. We have the Kingdom of Tonga. And she used to, my mum used to make it and she would sleep in it. So that was her blanket that kept her warm. So mum's from that generation. That is very special, and we're very lucky to have, you know, this generation around still. Yeah, I mean, you can go for it.
Yeah. If you open up your piece of tapa, there's a two piece of tapa, and what that piece here, you can see what is it called?
The lines.
Yeah, the grains.
The grains is going across.
One this way, and this one goes this way. And when you put together, one goes this way and one goes the other way. That's what we put. There's only Tonga Island. We do two double like that and put in two ways because you can't break it. You can do like that.
We like things strong.
Yeah. And that's the way we make our piece of tapa. Now, I'm going to put a glue on. What
That's
we do,
Organic tapioca starch. So you know,
It's
like,
starch.
yeah, you can eat it, but don't eat the stuff.
both sides face the face up, and that's the same with the baby face up, this one. And what you do,
Only a little bit, please, I've got to stress this, only a little bit of glue because we need it to be dry 2 days so we can paint on it. Because I seem like a lot of people like to go bang, but it won't dry.
Looks fun.
but you can put it outside because it takes a long time. We bring our iron, that's our sun.
Mom's 1970 something. Her iron.
And you have to put together like that. And just put together.
With the kupisi. We're going to need, we'll get all the kupisi back. I handed it out to you guys so you can touch it. And you can, like, you might want to use one of them. We use these in our art. Like, you'll see some of the kupisi we've got up there in that piece. It's a stencil. So this is exclusive to Tonga. And you put it on and you push it down. With this brown, I've got to say, you must be careful as well. You've got to really bring it out, like you really get that ink out, or you get a big blob of brown. And I know a lot of people don't like that. And we've got enough for everyone to have one set of tapa. So just be mindful.
You can see the grain over there goes that way, and you have to rub that way. You don't rub like that because it's a little bit, it's not really look right, but you have to rub this way.
Wow.
You can imagine this being really
beautiful.
huge. You need a village of women to do it, like we showed you in the video.
Now, what we do after that, we put outside the sun to dry. But here we are going to iron, sorry. Everybody, we can't be here for a long time.
Right.
No sunny outside. You have to iron. And after they dry, then you can use the. Sorry, we have to use the Indian ink because it's this very easy to dry. That's why we use it. And beautiful. Yeah, I think that's all.
Yeah. It should have another name. But it's like it's the black ink, and it dries very quickly. So it's very good, but be careful with it too, because we don't want it slipping on the floor. Sorry, I keep bringing up all these cautious things. So if you guys want to grab your tapa, and it's called wheta aki before it's painted, and then it's called ngatu when it's complete. Usually ngatu refer to the bigger pieces, but we still call these miniature ngatu. So yeah, grab it and come up and come get your hands dirty. Come get involved. Exciting.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, watch out for the iron. You should need the ironing board. Just leave it, boo.
The ironing board is...
Here, they took it away. Just put down.
There should be an iron at the back there. That iron is hot and it's on, so I would recommend to stay away from it, because if you touch it, you will get burned.
Thanks for the reminder. Thank you. I can go up there. Vinaka na se mo mai bula lisi vave bula venesi servato bula semirongida ke to kesa tiko ni ko na kesa ni masini tonga ia o sandar kumi ngongo sao ko ya ngo ta ka na no to kesa na tonga na ka sar mai go bula vinaka mai Los Angeles mai California. Bula Kiki. Yeah, how do you feel this morning?
Oh, I feel great. It's so good to have relatives here in this space.
Wonderful. What do you look forward to today?
I just look forward to seeing everybody's artwork and seeing their reactions. And to see are we going to do a community piece? Oh, that's going to be great. Yeah,
all right.
To that too.
Okay, have fun.
Thank you.
Naka ang gana manela ni darobo ni Hawaii ngas ni bulital tsangai ke California. Kanta sarap saray ni ngo na kesa.
Inside or outside, I can't see it. I want to say that I missed it.
This is for you. This is good for you. This one's This one's mine, like all my people's traditional work. And I just title a flower for the ones you wear.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Jesus. Oh, so Yesu is one of my students, ladies and gentlemen. So he's an artist as well and theater major.
Yes.
Yeah, theater minor. Theater major students. Theater minor.
Yes.
Theater minor. So he's one of my amazing students here, and he's been working alongside me with a few of my projects, and he's here to make some tapa similar to last Saturday. So thank you so much. How did you find last Saturday? What was the experience for you and Mom?
It was amazing. I found a lot of connections between my tribe and then the islanders.
Wow.
We make something similar. I'm not the paper as you
Yeah.
know. Yeah, so it's beautiful to appreciate and learn things I didn't know.
Beautiful, beautiful. And even they remembered some of the chats they had with Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Yeah. So you were very spoiled, eh? Trin, have you met one of my students? Yesu. So tell him a little bit. He was in my one of my indigenous classes, and he is an artist. He's done some amazing work, and his work is also exhibited in the gallery, Luckman Gallery. Yeah.
Cross-cultural side, the American Indians.
Yeah.
I put the red sweater there and the blue bag with the snakes on it.
Yeah.
People wear punapechas and nawas. So in the exhibit, the sweater's punapecha and the bag is
I will have clothing over there just to help you guys out.
It's good to be here.
Yeah.
I went to the library first.
Oh, the library.
But
The,
Azalea was there too. The student that helped me with the interview.
Yes.
They were like, oh, it's near the student union.
yes, the golden eagle. Oh, yeah. So Dr. Trine is behind the the whole organizing of this and the funding. So we really thank the program that she runs that was able to bring Tui and them to come over from New Zealand. Yeah, yeah.
And
So,
with that one, you have to do grant work? Or how do you do things like that?
Yeah, so I mean, we had to apply for grant funding this year, and it's an annual student first quarter of students in the program.
thank you, Lina.
If you guys want to use this kupisi, we've got guava.
Oh, they look yummy.
That's the first
That's the first reaction. It looks yummy.
But the tu'inu, which is the midrib of the coconut, you know the leaf? So it's like a broom. As well, we use as brooms, as sweepers. Mum stitched this, I designed it. We did it in wharerai. So if you are wanting to use this too as something, or if you want to join the kupisi together as well, that's another option as well. You can do that as well. So please feel free. I've got a little example. It's not finished. It's just a little snake because I did a residency in Taiwan last year. And that's where they traced the DNA of mulberry tree, the paper mulberry tree, all the way to Taiwan. And I was very inspired by snakes. So I'm just showing you an example, like you can look on your phone, you can be inspired, you might have a pattern in your mind that you want to paint. And these Indian ink, you call it black ink. There is the black ink, you can use that, that's on your tables. But also if you want to use the umia, which is the brown dye that we're rubbing, the kupisi, just clean your brush out in the water and then use the unless there's another brush you can use separately. Just so you know.
What do we do with
This is Katisha. She works for Pip. She's the one who put you on that flyer.
Thank you so much. I felt so special sitting up there on the poster with all my my queens, you know. Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, when I was being tagged about it, I was so happy. I called up my daughter. I said, I'm sitting next to all the queens of the Pacific. But thank you so much. Oh, and thank you for being here. Yeah, this is fun, you know. Yeah. And you're looking forward to. Have you done this before? Have you done any siapo or anything before? Oh, this is your chance. This is your chance. Yes. Nakabali mo Kiki, mahalo. And have fun. Have fun. Kicks. She said, that's what? It's heavy. And it's 100 years old plus. Yeah. Have you seen one before? Yeah, that's so special. It's really old.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
I wonder what it's inside.
And I can share it with all of you. It's on my Dr. T page. This is cool, eh? Yeah. And that's Malia. Yay! So you want to do a shout out to our whānau in San Francisco who are missing out? Yeah.
In the Bay Area.
Oh.
Missing out on a good workshop.
On a good workshop. Yeah, so visit us at Cal State LA if you want to join in some of the fun. Come and visit us here in Los Angeles. Yeah, so we are part of the California State University Los Angeles campus. We are maybe about 15 kilometers or maybe miles from. And that's Dr. Julie, Professor Julie, my long lost sister that I finally found. Thank you, Julie. So here we are. I'm gonna move this way, and yeah, we're just having fun here, celebrating Tongan art and our Pacific arts. Yeah, so we are celebrating the Asian American Pacific Island Heritage Month, and this event, which is the Tongan Tapa workshop, is the launch of the month. Yeah? So there's a few things I want to show you for our friends and family watching. One of my students, the one you've just seen over there, has just given me a gift. Isn't this beautiful? And he made it by hand. Yeah, so hi, welcome. Yes. So we're making the tapa out there in the middle. So here we are. He came prepared and gave me a beautiful basket. He is of Mexican heritage, and this is just so beautiful. I wasn't expecting it, but oh wow. He is a weaver, and it is just so beautiful to be thought of by your students. So I'm going to show you again. Isn't that beautiful? Bula Vinakla Serna, Bula Vilkesa, Bula Lisa Gina, Bula Rex Rawoka. Yeah, we're just sharing a lot of art. And some of our professors, they didn't take their students to school, but they brought them here. And it's been awesome that we're able to have everybody come in together from all different cultural background. Yeah, and it's just awesome. So I'll just take you around the room, and I will go down and put my beautiful basket down. Isn't that beautiful? Bula poivi fatialofa, talofa lava, everybody who's watching. You can share this live, and I'm doing this live from the California State University in Los Angeles. So this is the launch of the Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month here at Cal State LA, and we are so fortunate to have a family of artists, Tapa artists from Tonga, Sulueti Fiamea Barrows and her daughter Tui Emma Gillis, and Tui also brought her 11-year-old daughter Aroha. So it's a 3-generational art that we're doing here. Sulueti passing on the knowledge of tapa making to Tui, and Tui now passing on the art of tapa making to Aroha. So thank you so much again, everybody, for watching, and I hope you will enjoy this short video where we are just showcasing this beautiful, beautiful family. Vinaka may na tandulala, muli vinaka to everybody logging in from different parts of the world. It is 12 o'clock here in Los Angeles, and this workshop will finish in another hour, but everyone is just having fun. We also have a Fijian, we also have Tongans, we have Samoans in the room, and it's great, and Hawaiians. Great to have all the Pacifica family coming together, particularly at this time when this political, instability that is happening right now. So, vinaka wakalevu. So there's Tui running around like a ballerina, and it's just so beautiful that we can all be here. Vinaka Omi, so tos chika balamasi, and that's the artwork that Tui made, and Silhouette, that is beautiful. Yeah, that's a finished piece that they made. So everybody's making their own piece right now, and then we'll make a community piece that will look like that we will donate to the university. Naka.
So basically right now, like this, I think the...
What? I've got my basket. Yes, you eating? Nice. Thank you. So here we are. Yes, this is very special. I was just showing to everybody my basket. Nice, eh? Thank you so much, Jesus. Thank you for thinking of me.
Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah. Remember, he's also named after Jesus. Yeah. Calicito, eh? Yeah. Oh, wow, wow.
They braid it with a sewing machine, they make them into mats or hats. And then they put the woven textile on top. And the technique it's done is called pepenado.
We have our own version to call pendano.
Pendant, weaving.
We weave everything, the fair, our fishing nets and every stuff. Like you use what's out there.
Oh, Shika. It's Andre. Yeah. Yes.
I've counted. There's like more than 70 people.
Wow.
For the last count I did.
That's awesome.
It was growing close to 70. I think now it's more than 70. Jesus is coming in.
Yeah, 71.
Yes. 71.
Yeah, so there you go. That's Mr. Bunindilo over there. So how are you feeling, Mr. Bunindilo, for today's workshop?
Yeah, it's amazing to see all the people of different backgrounds. You got Latinos, you got Mexicans,
Asian.
you got our Asian students, and
Some
Hawaiian as well.
Black American.
Black Americans, people from Asia, specifically our Indian friends, professors and lecturers, the academic staff, and the students. So it's a collaboration of everybody at Cal State University. I think this is a good way. Dr. T invited this family of
Tonga.
of this Tongan Vuvale, Whanau, I would say, for our brothers and sisters in Aotearoa, for them to come over. So it's kind of like the first ever event to happen at California State University. And we have to thank Dr. T and the staff for allowing to pay their fares to come all the way from New Zealand, bringing the skills of how the Tongans weave and do the tapa. And tapa making, like all the things now. We got a piece of tapa of ngatu. Let me show mine. See? So we've got these two, and we're going to paste them together in the paste from cassava or tapioca. And then once it's glued, then we put the stencil at the at the back, and then we rub. We rub with this. In Tonga they use coca and they use other stuff, but we got ink that we got from the shop. Provided by them, and then we rub and do the stuff that we do.
So, Naka, and they're connecting in from Tonga. There's some families. Yeah. Tui. There's some Fijian families connecting in from Tonga. Come. Some Fijian families, so you have to say hi. Bulavinaka, this is Tui.
Hello.
Yeah, so they
Bulavinaka.
they're connecting in from. Are you from Tongan Tapa?
Malolele. We're from Pava'o.
Oh, they're from Pava'o. So this is Tui, who's here with her mom and her daughter. How do you feel today, Tui, being here with everybody?
That's really beautiful, and it's really good. There's a lot of connections here with the people, and I feel like they are making a connection with themselves and their heritage by being able to.
And there's Aroha.
That's my daughter.
There you go. And so you see the connection when you see the students too, Tui?
Oh yes. Okay.
All
yeah,
right.
I feel lots of connections, and I feel like they're getting something from this, and it's inspiring and empowering. And we might see some more connections with their own heritage.
Yes, absolutely.
Especially while we're here in LA.
Yes.
This is like a very can be a scary place. I would
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow,
Vinaka.
Go back to the workshop.
Thank you, Tui. So that's Tui Emma Gillis, and she's the one that I connected with in New Zealand. I met her in Bulavinaka Alia, Bulavinaka Fungani. So we met in New Zealand, I think more than 10 years ago at the Auckland Museum. And then from there I started seeing their work. And then because I was working at the Auckland Museum. And then you can take a seat.
No, I'm sitting here.
I don't want to. Okay, so just so nice to be here. And when I moved to Hawaii in 2018, Tui saw that I was here, and so it's a university president. Oh my God, she's here.
You may have to go to talk to her.
Oh, I have to go talk to her. Wow. So she's here.
I'll show you. Yeah, I'll give you.
I'll just go and say hi.
Hey, I'm good.
Thank you for coming today.
Nice to meet you, man.
So we'll make sure.
She's the boss.
She was going.
Thank you. But it's good to bring everybody together. The highs and the lows and everything.
It's good because we were not expecting it. We were just like, just us. But I was like, that's the president. She's the queen of this place. Yeah. She's the president of the university.
So you got a new tag. She's a queen of this place.
Yes, she came. She's so down to earth. She's such a beautiful woman. Oh my goodness. Wow, she's there.
You have to introduce her to Tui.
I think you have to. Hello, my dear. Yeah, that's hers. You make sure you give it to her. Hey, did you? Oh, Kali, look at her. Stand there. That is beautiful. I love.
Keep going on actually from the prison.
No, I love the color, Kali. She did well. Look at all the lines. Wow. Yeah. Did you enjoy drawing the lines? And you did the rubbing? You did the rubbing too? Nah. Look at the way she did it. It's Kali, good on you. Did you show mom? Yeah? Was mom happy with mom? Oh, she's over. Did she make one too or no? Oh, yeah, I think she's doing most of the talking. Yeah, she's gonna make it. She's gonna make it.
That's the president of the university.
Did you make nice? That looks awesome. And now you gotta do the black ink. Yeah. Yes. Thank you for covering this for us.
You will need all his photos.
I tell you what, I was ready to come before I was told to shoot it. So.
We really appreciate you. Yeah.
The reason for it is because we want it to dry. See how he's doing it? Do you want me to show you? I'll give you yours one. I'll give you one. I can show you to us. Remind you of what we're doing. And you want the grain to stay one way, and you want the other grain to be that way. And you just put this on, and I don't put too much on. Yeah, that's how we're gonna. Yeah. Oh right, no, don't use too much.
Nice.
I know, I gotta remember I've done many of things.
Yeah. Feels so good. Yeah, it's therapeutic. It is therapeutic, yeah. Hey! Hi, stranger! Hi, stranger!
Nice to see you in person.
On the window, yeah. Thank you, Andre, for coming. Thank you for the support. Yeah.
But I know I'm scared.
So you gotta put the glue. That's the tapioca glue there. That's awesome. Beautiful. That's it. Yeah. Oh, you're next. Yeah.
And I did.
Sure. Oh, yeah, that's excellent. Go. How's it going, Lisa? Good? Yeah. Kali, vitamba. Look me go. No, he's taking it. Huh? Thank you, Lisa. Thank you.
Erwin, Lugo.
Oh,
I'm
thank
in your
you
class,
so much. Thank you for coming.
He didn't get to come to your class, but I came out and I wanted to meet you.
Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Kali juga ko dari Tamba, na camera. He's one of my online students and he's here in person. Yeah, thank you, Edwin.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Yeah. Yeah.
How are you? Good. I'm enjoying her class.
Oh, thank you so much, Edwin. He's going to just take a quick photo of us.
Okay,
Come here.
awesome, That's it.
Yay! Thank you for coming.
okay, good.
So these are all the art that we're doing from Tonga. So these are the artists that came from Tonga. So we always, do you want to make one? Do you want to create something?
Sure.
Yeah. So they're gonna give you 2 pieces of the tapa. So that's you have a look first,
let me look.
and then you can when we give it to you. So you're gonna do the glue, kalvamadal,
So this is glue
from the tapioca, the cassava, cassava root.
vegetable.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's it.
yeah.
So that's the glue from it.
Oh, I see. This is what the Naru use.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Yes. So you're gonna join the 2.
Tapioca manioc grows in South America.
Yeah, South America. There's lots of tapioca and manioc. Yeah. So they're gonna do that, and then you're gonna join them together. Yeah, he made one on Saturday. It looks amazing. So, yeah. So then you join the 2, and then after that, and then you're gonna use the kupese kali. Then you're gonna put the stencil. You're gonna put it above, and then you're gonna rub. Yeah, so that yeah. So you're gonna put it here. So which one you want to use? And then you choose whichever design you want: the fish, or you want the flower, or you want a pig. There's the exactly. Every time I look at the pig, I'm thinking of food. Yeah. So look at what he's doing now, and he's gonna take this, the rubbing.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yes, and then kalme sar. Oh, okay, he knows what he's doing. Yeah. And then yes. And then after you do that, then you're gonna iron it. There's the iron on the corner, and then you'll go to any of the table you wanna sit. You'll notice that each table has a brush and an ink. Yeah. Yes. Come, Edwin. Come.
I'm telling you. Hi, President. How are you?
Thank you so much.
Good to see you.
Oh, really appreciate you stopping by.
Of course.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for your support.
That's so special. Because you're a badass. And it's been your, second or third year? With the president. You're a badass.
It's a really different with the afro. People don't know
That's like a lovely little
Luna said that she was the best hire. Out of all the hires, this is the best one. This is.
So,
Actually.
I have to tell you, this is about 1,000% true.
Yeah.
You know why I know this? Because I was part of
Oh, thank you so much.
So good to see you. Monday. Yes, thank you so much. I'm so happy. The president showed up. So happy.
See, all the meetings all paid off.
Yeah, it has been. I knew when I saw it. Tito.
Thank you. Yes,
You should be very, very
thank you, Julie.
Yes, right here.
She wasn't here for the beginning of the workshop. Where's Mia?
Where's Mina? She showed me her art. It was beautiful. I said, have you showed it to Mom? Oh, there. She's back in painting.
I'm gonna tell her to come over here.
Yeah? Yeah. Aroha, you okay? He's one of my students too. So
nice.
you look natural with it, Edwin. Thank you. So. Yes, Vinaka, everybody. Thank you for watching. Sorry, my hand was shaking and was moving a few minutes ago just because we were not expecting the president of the university turned up and she made a piece for herself. So it was really wonderful that she was here and she recognized the work that we are doing. And it's very humbling. Yeah, very, very humbling. So thank you again, everybody, for being with me on this journey and talking to different people that are part of this work. And just sending all the lolomas to you all, and wish you all a very good day wherever you are. I'll share with you some of the food that we're sharing with everyone. Sorry, there's no tavioka or wakalolo or ika michi or kokonda. We only have what we can prepare for everyone. So we've got chips, we've got some dips, and they look so delicious. And we have lots of oranges, and we have lots of fruits. Yeah, so that's what we are sharing with everyone.
Hi everybody, just want to interrupt really quickly. We have an opportunity to make a large communal art piece. Tapa. These books are available to stay until 1:30 though. It was going to take about an hour for us to make that piece together. So wanted to announce that. Would you mind raising your hand if you're interested and are able to stay until 1:30 to make the communal piece?
Woohoo!
Is it good? Okay, I wrote it down. Awesome. We're going to get Tuesday to get started with that then.
Yeah, Vinaka Sarah. For those of you who are joining in, we also brought our tanoa. Yesterday we had a function and we mixed the angona for our students. So we'll see how we go after the tapa making. If anybody's thirsty, they're most welcome to, have a little bit of the angona. And he's got another puaka, another pig there. Hi. Oh, there's some fish. Oh, nice. Ika, thank you so much. This is yes. The Tongans got it from us. It's a beautiful art. Beautiful. Wow. That is wonderful.
That's what I was going for.